Have you ever wondered why you sleep like royalty in a hotel, but at home, you wake up with a stiff neck and body pains? It's not magic, it's mattress science, and you've probably been missing it for years. In just a few minutes, I'll break down those hotel sleep secrets and show you exactly how to bring that feeling right to your bedroom. Let me tell you about my friend Charles. He travels a lot for work, Abuja, Accra, and sometimes Dubai. He told me, "Olisa, every time I stay at a hotel, I sleep like a baby. But once I get home, I wake up sore and tired." He thought something was wrong with him. Mood swings, brain fog, back pain that lingered till noon. Guess what? He's not alone. Many Nigerians don't replace their mattress until it's visibly sagging. But by then, your sleep has already suffered for years. So, what makes hotel beds so good? 1. Better quality mattresses. Hotels invest in supportive, medium firm mattresses designed to suit a wide range of body types. They're usually newer and provide better support than most home mattresses. 2. Well-layered bedding. Hotels use multiple layers, sheets, duvets, and pillows that add comfort without trapping heat. 3. Cooler room temperature. Hotel rooms are kept cool, which helps the body relax and improves sleep quality. 4. Cleaner, fresher environment. Fresh sheets, aired rooms, and daily cleaning create a sense of freshness that boosts comfort. 5. Minimal clutter. Hotel rooms are simple and organized, reducing distractions and helping the mind calm down. Now compare that to your bed at home. Your mattress is probably 5 to 8 years old. You take a longer time to change your bedding, your room doesn't have enough airflow, your room is cluttered. Do you think you will have the same feeling when you sleep? The question is, what do you do to get the same feeling? 1. Start with a supportive mattress. Use medium firm mattresses that support your body without sinking or trapping heat. An old or sagging mattress will always ruin your comfort, no matter the sheets. 2. Use more than one pillow. Hotel beds come with pillow options. Having a firm pillow for support and a soft one for comfort helps your neck relax better. 3. Choose breathable bedding. Breathable sheets will help you to regulate body temperature and improve your sleep quality, especially in warm weather. 4. Remove clutter from your sleeping area. A clean, simple space will reduce mental stress and create a calm, hotel-like atmosphere. As mentioned earlier, the steps to getting that hotel feeling at home start with a quality mattress. So how do you bring this luxury home? You can do that with one of our luxury collections, the Winco Foam mattress. This isn't just a mattress, it's your personal 5-star sleep upgrade. It has breathable fabric that regulates body temperature for cooler nights, medium foam feel that supports all sleep styles, trusted materials used in hotel quality bedding. It feels plush on top, but firm underneath, like being hugged without being swallowed. Charles made the switch, and now his body doesn't wait for hotel trips to feel good. Imagine waking up refreshed, like you just spent the night at a 5-star hotel. Your body deserves more than a mattress you bought in 2018. Try the Porsche mattress for 14 nights, risk-free. If it doesn't give you hotel sleep at home, we'll take it back. No guilt, just better sleep. You deserve to sleep like royalty in your own room. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sleep upgrade secrets. Until next time, sleep better, live better.